outside. They're like miniature little things of hail. I'll try to catch one. And I'm in the house. See, look. What Holly last? Let me see if I could catch one. Let's see. Yes, caught some. There it is. See right there. It's like real tiny. I don't know how much degrees it is, but I hope it snows. I hope it snows. I hope it snows. I hope it snows. You can hear it. Do you hear that little tail? I wish it was like snowing or something, not like hailing or anything. Geez, I was just watching my favorite show in the whole world, and I hear a little. I'm like, oh my god! And I'm looking up there like, I'm like, oh, it's hailing outside! Oh my god! Oh, it's cold. It's cold. I'm warm again. I'm warm. Okay. That's pretty much what happened. It's hailing outside Blues. Dang! It's hailing outside like crazy. Well, you gotta go, people.